you're good. This is our little baby girl right here. Papa right here.
I think he's enjoying a lot, being able to be with people who are like-minded and equally enthusiastic about science, math, and engineering.
Well, she's happy, and if she's happy, we're happy.
I think a lot of times people assume STEM school is just all about the math, the science, and the quantitative stuff. And, you know, there's a lot of heart here, and I like that I'm seeing the balance of the two.
You know, I think Olivia's really enjoying the camaraderie that she's finding, but also the way that the students are working together and supporting each other. Not competitive, not a lot of pressure, but really trying to help each other through their first semester.
The relationships, the connections, the intensity of it, this has been incredibly rewarding.
Building relationships throughout the college years, I think that's very valuable.
One of the things I've loved, especially over on these weekends, is getting to know the faculty. So the faculty is incredible here. It's really dynamic.
You know, we just went from a session and learned about all of the summer research opportunities that they have here, as well as the opportunities they give them in terms of access to internships. And I think that'll be an incredible tool for them as they prepare for life post-college.
I love hearing about her classes and stuff. It makes me wish I was back in school right now.
I think she's happy, so that's important. Yeah, and she's learning a lot. Yes. Good balance.
When you send your daughter off to a college where the president knows your daughter's name, how, you know, it doesn't give you any better feeling than you could possibly have.
A lot of what I experienced is similar to what she's experiencing now. The resourcefulness that they learn here, that makes them adaptable so that whatever comes down the road, they're going to be there and ready to take advantage of that opportunity when it pops up.
I really appreciate all the parent workshops and the informational sessions. The offices are open so you can see people and get more information that way. So that's really great too.
Yeah. The resources are available, everything for them they need to succeed, and not just only on on the classes, but outside the campus and all the things that hopefully will make his life easier.
I'm really happy that she's enjoying it here. He wants to come here too, eventually, see this Cape.
We are very happy that he's in an environment where he loves it and he is comfortable and he has so much support.
He seems to be fitting into the environment. We are happy with that. We are here to support him. And I think the family weekend is our first, so the experience has been really uplifting for me.